Today we are going to discuss about topological sorting, which is one of the application of DFS. This topological sorting is applied on the directed acyclic graph. What is meant by a directed acyclic graph? If a graph has vertices v1, suppose it has three vertices v1, v2, v3, and there is a vertex v4, then v4 equal to v1, then it forms a cycle. If suppose there are four vertices and v4 is equal to v1, then it forms a cycle. In this is a directed graph, means it has a direction, each vertex has a direction. So in a direct graph there is a chance of forming a cycle. But what is a directed acyclic graph? That means the digraph is acyclic. That means it has no cycle. Such graph is known as V1 is 0, V3, V4. Then here there is no cycle. Then this type of graph is known as acyclic graph. We can apply a topological sorting only on the acyclic graph, directed acyclic graph. If the graph is not a DAG, we can't apply topological sorting. Then what is a topological sorting? Suppose if there is a graph G, then it consists of vertices V and E. Then we are arranging all the vertices in this graph in a linear ordering. That is, in a horizontal line, we are arranging all the vertices from left to right. So here there are two vertices V1, V2, V3. Here three vertices we are arranged in a linear ordering, and here we consider there is an edge. Here there is an edge UV in between these vertices. Then this vertex V1 always comes before this vertex V2. That is, in the ordering, you always, if there is an edge from U to V in this linear ordering, then U always comes before V. That is, U comes first, then only V comes. That is topological ordering. We are arranging all vertices in a linear ordering. Then next one, algorithm of topological sort. First, in this first algorithm, we are called this DFS. DFS is depth first search algorithm for this graph. Then compute the finishing time. Finishing time is represented using the vertex with the symbol f of v. V is the vertices in that graph. And as each vertex is finished, insert it onto the front of the linked list. So we require a linked list here, and each time we are finish the vertex, then it will be inserted into the front of the linked list like this, x, y, z. Then return this linked list. This is the algorithm for a topological sorting. Then the time complexity. Here we are using the algorithm DFS. What is the time complexity of a DFS algorithm? DFS algorithm have a complexity of order of V plus E. Same complexity is here. Topological sorting is also performed in order of V plus E. And here we are inserting elements into a front of the linked list. It take a constant time, order of 1. So just we need to add the element into the front of that linked list. So it take a constant time. So total time is order of V plus E. That is the time complexity of topological sorting. Then this is an algorithm. is an example of a topological sorting. Here, this is arranging our dress arranging is here. നമ്മൾ ഡ്രസ്സ് അറേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യണേ. സോ ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് നമ്മൾ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്, ഫസ്റ്റ് നമ്മൾ അൽഗോരിതം സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത് എവിടെ നിന്നാണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഒരു ഇൻകമ്മിങ് എഡ്ജും ഇല്ലാത്ത ഒരു വെർട്ടെക്സ് സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യാം. ഇപ്പം നമുക്ക് ഇവിടുന്ന് വേണമെങ്കിൽ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. ഇതിലൊരു ഇൻകമ്മിങ് എഡ്ജും ഇല്ല, ഇതിൽ ഇൻകമ്മിങ് എഡ്ജസ് ഒന്നുമില്ല, ഇതിലില്ല. ദെൻ വേറെ ഇൻകമ്മിങ് എഡ്ജ് ഇല്ലാത്ത ഷർട്ട്. ഇപ്പം സപ്പോസ് ഞാൻ ഷർട്ടിൽ നിന്നാണ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. സോ സ്റ്റാർട്ടിങ് ഫ്രം ഷർട്ട് is time complexity is 1, so discovering time is 1. Then it has 2 edges, we can go here and go here. I selected tie, so it will be second, and here it moved to jacket, so it is 3. Then ജാക്കറ്റ് എങ്ങോട്ടെങ്കിലും പോകാനുണ്ടോ? ഇല്ല, ജാക്കറ്റ് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ആയി. സോ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? ഫിനിഷിംഗ് ടൈം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 4 ആണ്. സോ ജാക്കറ്റ് ഫസ്റ്റ് നമ്മൾ ആഡ് ചെയ്തു, ലിങ്ക്ഡ് ലിസ്റ്റിലേക്ക് ഫസ്റ്റ് ജാക്കറ്റ് ആഡ് ചെയ്തു. അതിൻ്റെ ടൈം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എന്താണ്? 3/4 ആണ്. ദെൻ നമ്മൾ ബാക്ക്വേർഡ് പോവുകയാണ്. ഇനി ടൈക്ക് ഏതെങ്കിലും നോഡ് എക്സ്പ്ലോർ ചെയ്യാനുണ്ടോ? ഇല്ല, ഓൾ നോട്ട്സ് ആർ എക്സ്പ്ലോർഡ് ഹിയർ. സോ ഇറ്റ്സ് ടൈം, ഫിനിഷിംഗ് ടൈം വിൽ ബി 4 + 1 5. ദെൻ മൂവ് ഓൺ ടു ഷർട്ട്. ഷർട്ടിലേക്ക് പോകുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും ദർ ഈസ് അനദർ നോഡ് വി നീഡ് ടു എക്സ്പ്ലോർ. ബെൽറ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്ന നോഡ് എക്സ്പ്ലോർ ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല. സോ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? ഇതിനെ എക്സ്പ്ലോർ ചെയ്യാൻ പോയി. ഇതിൻ്റെ ഡിസ്കവറിങ് ടൈം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 5 + 1 6. ദെൻ ഇതിൻ്റെ നോഡ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഏതാണ്? ചിൽഡ്രൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ജാക്കറ്റ് ആണ്. ജാക്കറ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഓൾറെഡി എക്സ്പ്ലോർഡ് ആണ്, ഫിനിഷ്ഡ് ആണ്. സോ നമുക്കിത് ഫിനിഷിംഗ് ടൈം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 7 ആണ്. സോ ഇവിടെ നെക്സ്റ്റ് 2, ഇവിടെ 5 ഫിനിഷാണ്. അത് ടൈ വിൽ ബി ആഡഡ് ടു the linked list. So next belt will be added here in front of the linked list. Then here vannu 7 + 8. So shirt will be completed. So shirt will be added into the front of the linked list. Then next we will start from watch. Watch is an one, that is 7 + 8 + 9. There is no child node need to explore, so it will be completed here 9 10. So that will be watch will be added to the front of the linked list. Then next undershot will be selected, so 11 here. Then it can 2 path here and here. So I selected this pants. You can either select pant or shoes, anyone. I selected pants. So 11. Next one is 12. Then next is belt. Belt is already discovered or visited. So we don't need to come to belt. Next we move on to here. There is a node shoes. So shoes is here 13. So there is no node to explore from the shoes. So it is completed 13/14. So shoes will be added to the front of the linked list. When finishing time occurs, then we will add to the, that node will be added or vertex will be added to the front of the linked list. Then come back here, it is 15. So pants will be added here. Then move on to backward. Then undershorts, all its children are exploded. So it is 16. So undershort will be added here. The next one is socks. Socks value is 17 and there is no node to explore. So 17 18. So socks will be added the front of the linked list. So we will return the linked list. So first we 17 socket to shoes. So we will draw a edge in between socket and shoes. Then undershort, from the undershort to pants and shoes. So pants, here there is a pants and shoes. So there is a shoes here. Then pants to belt. Pants to belt is here. There is a edge. This edge is here. Pants to belt. Then pants to shoes. Pants to shoes here. Then shoes, from shoes to no connection, so there is no connection. Watch is there is no edge between watch. Then shirt to tie, and shirt to belt, and shirt to tie. Then tie to jacket, and belt to jacket. So this is the topological sorting of this above diagram. Next there is a university question. Write the topological sorting for a diagram given below. So first we are starting from node 1. We are starting node 1. We can explore either to 2 or 3. Here I select the alphabetical order. So I select 2. So next time is 2. From the 2 there is no node to explore, completed. So its finishing time is 3. So I added to the linked list 2, vertex 2. And then I go to backward. Then 1 is not completely exported because there is 3. So I selected this node 3, its value is 4. Then it can either go 4 and 6. I selected 4. So its value discovering time is 5. Then we can move on to 5. So its discovering time is 6. Then all nodes are of 5 is exploded. So its finishing time is 7. So 5 will be added into the linked list, front of the linked list. Then move on to 4. All nodes of child node of floor is already exploded. So its value is 8. So next 4 is here, added to the linked list. And next move on to 3. 3 here, 6 is not one. Only one node, floor is exploded. Another node is there, 6 is not exploded. So its value is, last finishing time is 8. Now its discovering time is 9. And its node 2 is already exploded and 5 is also already exploded. So its finished time is 10. So we will add vertex 6 to front of this. And next move back to 3, 10, 11. So all nodes of 3 is exploded. So 3 will be added to the linked list, front of the linked list. Then remaining is 1, that is finishing time is 12. So 1 is will be added here. So next draw the linear vertices of this linear ordering ring. There is a edge from 1 to 3. So 1 to 3 we will be draw. Then 1 to 2. There is a 1 to 2. Then 3 to 2 to, there is no edge from 2. And 3 from 3 to 4. And 3 to 6. Then 6 to 2. 6 to 2. And 6 to 5. And 4 to 5. So all nodes are arranged here in the linear ordering. So this is the representation of topological sorting. First call this DFS function. Then we are arranging, added each vertex which has the finished and into the front of the linked list, and we are arranging the vertices in a sorted order.